friends, and welcome to MTD CNC. However, I know you're used to seeing me here for North America, but today we are in India, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm going to be here talking about Hyundai WIA, and we're going to learn a bit more about this Korean-made machine. Now, some of you may not know, but I was in Korea and got to visit this incredible facility, but today we get to learn a bit more about this maternity machine and the specs that go along with it. So let's learn a little bit more about Hyundai WIA. Let's introduce yourself, let the audience know who you are.
Hello guys, I am Samir Abhyankar. I represent P-Tech, the division of Philips Machine Tools India, based in Bangalore.
Absolutely perfect. So being in India, we have this machine, and I know it's a part of Precision Engineering Technologies, which is a division of Philips Machine Tools, right?
Yes.
But let's talk about the specifications of this Hyundai WIA and what you like most about it.
I like this machine. This is a kind of turn mill center with a Y-axis. This machine is with 8-inch chuck, 4,500 RPM with a 12 tool ATC. This has got a tailstock of MT4, and this is a very multitasking machine. This is used in all kinds of precision components.
Well, when it comes to Hyundai WIA, I see this Fanic series here right now for the interface, which is very popular. So if someone's just looking to implement their first Hyundai WIA, the software is already familiar, so they can utilize that really quickly, can't they?
Yeah, this is a Fanuc OI Plus system with a built-in, this is an advanced controller, you can see, and it has got a programming software. You can generate the programs on by own. So this is the beauty of this particular system. This is the latest controller.
Being in India, I know there's been massive growth in manufacturing over the years, and it continues to excel. So here in India, as it grows, where do you think Hyundai WIA really sits within this industry, whether it's aerospace and medical? Is it the harder materials, the softer materials? Is it everything across the board? Because everything is now being done in India, isn't it?
Basically, India is growing a lot, and newer companies are coming up, and Hyundai WIA is a very good brand. They have got excellent machines, very rigid machines. They have got establishments in India. We are servicing and doing all kind of support in India. So people are finding this machine more useful. And more and more machines are being placed in India right now.
You know, I find a lot of use in this machine, and there's a lot that goes to a Korean machine as well, but you mentioned something that stuck out to me, which I think is very important, and that is service. Service is so important because we know that everyone sells the first machine, but you're not going to sell the second, third, fourth, or fifth without the service side. So what's service like with your company?
See, we take pride in telling you that we have at least 100 or 200 machines installed in India, and our engineers are trained in Korea, and we are doing all parts of service like machine installation, job pro-out, training, post-sale service, anything you ask for, we have. Even we are keeping stock of spares with us so that our machines, whoever is using our machine, will not have any downtime of the machine.
Something that comes up in conversation, because I've been to MTEX here in India, I've been to the trade shows, and it comes up all the time is, can my machine cut harder materials? There's a lot of aluminum being cut and plastics being cut, but there's a lot of harder materials in other parts of the industry as well. Can this Hyundai WIA handle those harder materials?
Yes, of course. We handle all kinds of materials, even the harder materials also. But we are more and more focused on the aluminum and other parts, like steel parts, where there is export demand. So in aerospace, basically, they are asking for titanium kind of components, and that's where we are entering now.
That's absolutely perfect, because I look at this footprint, and every time I think, even though we are getting stronger by the day, maybe not me and my muscles, but stronger by the day, I think of bigger machines when I think of harder materials. And this is a good size footprint because we're all fighting for real estate in every building as we continue to grow and implement more machines. So to know that I can cut the harder materials on a smaller footprint like this, that carries a lot of benefit as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually, as the industry is growing, people are finding less space, and we are making compact machines. And with multitasking, we are able to give multiple solutions, like customers want to finish all component in one machine. They don't want to transfer the machine, and this is the solution. I will show you some component. We have done all kinds of applications on this particular component. We will show it in detail also. So this is the right solution for this machine.
My friend, I think you nailed that one aspect when you said people are tired of doing things in multiple machines when they can do it in one. How much money do we save by doing that? How much cycle time do we save? How much material do we save? How many setups and operations of scrap do we save because we're not doing it in multiple setups, right? Being able to have one setup to implement all of those processes, important, isn't it?
See, I will say you can do one machine multiple operations. You at least save three machines. You save three times the cost. You save three times the space, and you know you are doing the component in one machine. So you are taking care of all the quality parameters because you are not changing the setup. So that is the beauty of this machine.
You nailed it. And I'm completely sold at this point. You've done an amazing job. If somebody wants to learn more about your company and more about Hyundai here in India, where would they look you up? A website, a phone number, a home address? You're not going to give your home address, are you? But maybe a website.
Now I think you better search for ptech.in. That is our website, and you will get all the details of our machines. Not only this machine, all range of Hyundai WIA, all range of other products, and you are welcome to visit our website.
Perfect. Well, guys, you heard it here at MTD first. We really do appreciate you sharing this story, sharing this technology. I hope you've learned as much today as I have as well, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon.